Hi, I'm Dr. Doug, and today we're going to talk about the difference between men's and women's brains. So, kind of a fun topic today. So, there are truly some differences between the brains, and one of the things that you find is that men typically think of one thing at a time. So, our way is to think of this one thing, we talk about that one thing, whatever it is, put that away, and we move on to the next thing. We finish with that and move on to the next thing. Finish with that and we move on to the next thing. Women's brains are wired so that they can be thinking about all these different things simultaneously. So they can have all these different things going on, and while the man is thinking about that one thing, women are thinking about multiple things. So they can be cooking, cleaning, taking care of the kids, and all these different things simultaneously, while the husband, well, he can clean. And then the cleaning is done, let's do something with the kids. Kids are done, let's take care of some cooking. So very different brain structures between the two. And another thing about the men's brains, we can think of nothing. I'll do it like right now. It's that easy. It's that easy. I can think of nothing, okay? Now, guys, that is absolutely astounding to women to understand that we can think of nothing. And guys, it's also important for us to understand a woman's brain just doesn't shut down. They're constantly going. So they are constantly thinking. So it's very hard for them to shut down. And ladies, if any ladies are watching this, I know this is about men's mental health, but ladies, if you're checking this out, I have a video on grounding. Grounding is a way to kind of help slow your brain down. Give yourself a break. Give it a break. So another thing, with us guys, ladies, understand we can think of nothing. So if you're asking some guy in your life, like, hey, what are you thinking? And he says, nothing. He's telling you the truth. He's thinking of nothing. All right, now, guys, understand, ladies' brains, they don't shut off. It's much more difficult for them to shut things down. And also, keep in mind I'm talking in general terms, all right? There are going to be exceptions, of course, but in general, these are how it is. So guys, it's important for us to understand the woman's brain is constantly going. And so they want to talk about stuff. They want to talk about what's going on. And it's really important, guys, for us to just listen. Shut up and listen. It's really easy. We don't have to constantly problem solve. They just need to communicate. So we can shut up and listen, have a conversation, don't worry about solving the problems. All right, so that's a quick overview of some differences between men's and women's brains. And I hope you enjoy that, and see you next time.